Hello, dear students. Today we shall complete chapter 7 of Food Prints Without Feet book named The Necklace, written by a French writer, Guy de Maupassant. In this chapter, the writer highlights the value of contentment in our life. What is contentment? Contentment means satisfaction. A person should be satisfied in his life, only then he can get happiness and pleasure. Otherwise, he will have to lead his life full of sorrows and poverty. Let us see how a character was dissatisfied in his life and how the life teach a lesson to her. In this chapter, the main character is Matilda. Full name is Matilda Loisel. Matilda's sorrows and dissatisfaction. Matilda's sorrows and dissatisfaction. In this story, Matilda Loisel, a pretty married woman. She was very beautiful and but she was married to a poor clerk in the education board. But she was having a great desires. She wanted to enjoy a life of luxury, sad over her plight, dissatisfied with her life. She was very beautiful and charming, like a rich look, but unfortunately, due to her destiny, उसके भाग्य में ऐसा लिखा हुआ था कि she was married to a poor clerk whose salary was way too much meager to fulfill the needs of his wife. So she was dissatisfied with her life. वो अपनी लाइफ से जो है वो dissatisfied हो चुकी थी and she used to remain sad over her plight, miserable conditions. One day, what happened? Next is borrowing a diamond necklace. Why she borrowed a diamond necklace? Its reason is one day Matilda's husband came with an invitation at the minister's residence. One day her husband got an invitation on a big party at the minister's residence. Only selected candidates got this invitation in the office. When he came at the home and he gave that invitation to his wife, he was thinking that she would be very happy to go at this party, but he was surprised at his wife's cold response. But he was very shocked that his wife didn't become happy to see that invitation of a great party. When he asked the reason, the Matilda said she had no dress. When he asked the reason why she has not become happy, actually it is your desire to go at the big parties to enjoy luxury life. Now it is a time to celebrate. But she said that she does not have a dress. उसके पास dress नहीं है. What type of dress she should wear in this great party? So her husband, Mr. M. Loisel, guided her to purchase a new dress to go to that party. A new dress for 400 francs bought. He suggested her that she should purchase a good dress in a budget that should not be too much costly, but it should be nice. He got the estimate, so near about 400 francs. She said that a good dress can be purchased. When he offered to give money for the dress, then again she started weeping. वो फिर से रोने लगी. Then again he asked the reason. Now what happened? I have given you the money for dress also. Now what is the problem? Why again you are so sad? So she suggested that if I purchase a good dress, if I purchase a new dress, after dress she does not have any jewelry. She does not have any jewelry. उसके पास न्यू ज्वेलरी नहीं है डालने के लिए. वट शी शैल वियर, क्या चीज़ वो डालेगी. देन suddenly her husband named Loisel gave her idea that she should take it to her friend Ma'am Forestier. Ma'am Forestier was very rich lady. This is the third character, and she was very close friend to his wife. So he suggested that why shouldn't she go to Ma'am Forestier and borrow a diamond necklace. Then Matilda at once accepted the idea of her husband and went to her rich friend, अपने rich friend के पास पहुंच गई to get the necklace. As Ma'am Forestier was very rich lady, she was a kind heart too. She gave so many necklaces as per the desire of Matilda Loisel, and she said her to select whatever she likes. So Matilda Loisel selected that diamond necklace, but she was hesitating to get that. But Ma'am Forestier was a very nice lady. She said that she can take that diamond necklace, but return after use. So the day came of the party. In her new dress, wearing the diamond necklace, Matilda looked ravishing. She was very beautiful since birth, and she purchased a black color dress, fair color, and the diamond necklace around her neck was becoming a center of attraction. She was looking very charming in that party. Get attention even from the minister. She was so beautiful that even the minister was attracted towards her beauty. And after that, this was a ball party, dance party. So everyone, the female of the office colleagues, they started dancing and enjoyed till midnight. On reaching home, found the diamond necklace missing. So when she came at home, again she wanted to have a look in the mirror because she was getting so many comments, appreciations in the party. Every one was attracted towards her, so she was becoming overpowered with the admire. So she wanted to get a last look before change in front of the mirror, but when she saw that in the front of the mirror, she found that her diamond necklace was missing. Diamond necklace was not there. The couple became panicky, futile search. The couple became panic, full of panic, horror, fear was there because that was of diamond necklace and that was borrowed from the मैम फॉरेस्टर. मैम फॉरेस्टर से खरीदा गया था, बोरो किया गया था. They kept on searching their clothes and they kept on searching on the road also. लेकिन their search was futile. Futile means waste. There was no benefit. That search was in vain. They could not find even in the cabs agencies also. So her husband gave this information, gave advertisement in the newspaper also, so that if anybody has found on the day, that could be returned, but they couldn't find. Now what they did, borrowed money to replace the lost necklace. Her husband gave her idea that you should say to your friend that the lock has been broken and it is under repairing, so it will give them time for 1 week, and they will purchase similar from the market. So ultimately they found a similar necklace, needed 36,000 francs to buy it. When they went to market, they found one diamond necklace similar to that. एक उनको बिल्कुल मिलता जुलता डायमंड नेकलेस मिल गया, बट डेट कॉस्ट वॉज 36,000 फ्रैंक्स. उसकी कीमत कितनी थी? 36,000 फ्रैंक्स. 18,000 francs with Mr. Loisel, the rest of the money borrowed at high rate of interest. 18,000 francs जो थे Miss Loisel got from his father Will, and the rest of the money they decided to borrow at the high rate of interest. हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे उन्होंने अमाउंट मार्केट से उठाई ब्याज पर. सो व्हेन दे बोरोड मनी ऑन द हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट but income was not too much, he was a poor clerk only, he was a clerk only, so they started living a life of poverty. वो गरीबी की ज़िंदगी बिताने लगे. They shifted to cheaper lodging. Matilda had to do all household chores. They shifted to a cheaper lodging, and Matilda had to do all household chores. घर के जितने भी काम थे वो खुद करने लगी. Mr. Loisel worked day and night. Mr. Loisel also started doing labor too hard, led miserable life for 10 years. Approximately 10 years they did very hard work to pay back that borrowed money from the higher rate they have taken from the usurers. And after 10 years they were able to repaid all loans. जितना भी उन्होंने पैसा लिया था वो repaid कर दिया. Matilda no longer looked pretty, looked like a poor working woman. So Matilda, after 10 years, if we see, there was a lot of difference. She has become like a poor working woman. जैसे घर में काम करने वाली औरतों की तरह वो बन चुकी थी. And she lost her charm. उसने अपनी ब्यूटी खो दी थी by doing so much hard work. And shocking news, one day she was sitting near the window of her room and watching outside in the streets, thinking about that dance party and the charm, the attraction, the praise she got from the persons present in the party. So what did she see? Matilda met her friend, told her whole story. So she found that Ma'am Forrester was going in that street. She went to her, met her, and called her with the nickname, but Ma'am Forrester was unable to identify her. वो उसको पहचान नहीं पाई. लेकिन जब उसने उसे नाम से बुलाया तो she was shocked कि what Matilda was and what she has become. And when Ma'am Forrester asked the reason, how this happened, you were looking very beautiful and now what is this, then now they had paid all the amount and they had returned the diamond necklace also. So she told the whole story. She said that the diamond necklace I borrowed from you. Ma'am Fraser said that yes, you borrowed from us and you returned also. वो तो आपने return भी कर दिया था. So she said that yes, the diamond necklace we returned, actually that was lost. वो हमसे गुम हो गया था and we purchased similar from the market at the cost of 36,000 francs. So Ma'am Fraser said, oh Matilda, you purchased original diamond necklace from the market. She said that your was the true. She shocked to learn that diamonds in the lost necklace were false. So she said that actually my diamond necklace was only of 500 francs. जो मेरा diamond necklace था, that cost was only 500 francs. That was not original diamonds, but you returned original diamond necklace in the 36,000 by spending 36,000 francs and spending their whole life 10 years. So she was very much shocked. Matilda Loisel was shocked to learn this thing. So here the story ends. Now nothing could be done because the time was past. So here the author wants to give the suggestion that contentment is the better happiness. Santushti hi param sukh hai. And with this theme, he also highlights the theme of doing the work at the time When the time passes, after that you are sharing the things, there is no benefit. If Matilda Loisel had informed this thing on time to मैम फॉरेस्टियर, अगर वो टाइम पे बता देती कि दैट शी हैज़ लॉस्ट द डायमंड नेकलेस, तो शी वॉज अ रिच लेडी, शी कुड accept this thing also कि it's okay if you have lost, or if you want to take the money, so they will have to pay 500 francs only. But they didn't discuss on the time, and after passing the time 10 years she was discussing the thing, so there was a no use, उसका कोई benefit नहीं था. So here they lost money also. Loisel family lost money as well as their beauty, peace of mind. So this is the story written by Guy de Maupassant, French writer, giving a beautiful message that a person should be contented in his life, to enjoy his life happily. Otherwise, he will have to suffer throughout the whole life. So read it text, complete question answer. If you face any problem, you may discuss with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.